Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Airbnb app not loading listings. So basically, if you're right here at the Airbnb app and then at Explore and it's just basically not showing anything, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can basically fix that issue. Fix number one is going to be really easy, but what you need to make sure to do is that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have a proper Wi-Fi connection, then this could cause issues with listings not being able to basically load onto the Airbnb app, and this could cause issues with the Airbnb app just not being able to show your listings. So just make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection, and basically once you've done that, just restart the app to see if maybe that fixed your issue. Now, if that did not fix your issue, then you maybe have just added too many filters over on the Airbnb app. So when you open the app, then go to the top right corner of the screen at that filters icon, you will be able to basically filter on different types of basically homes. But let's say that you add a lot of different filters. So you want 4 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and you want the price to be in a small range, and that could cause issues with there just not being any homes basically. And that could basically cause issues with Airbnb not being able to show listings. So just make sure that you don't have too many filters applied. Now the third thing you want to make sure to do is that you have a proper Wi-Fi or proper location services basically. Because Airbnb will basically recommend you listings based on where you are living right now. So it's really important that Airbnb has access to your location. To do this, head over into settings, then scroll down till you find privacy and security right here. Click on location services and scroll down till you find the Airbnb app. So let me quickly find it. So I just need to click on location services, and once you've done that, make sure that location services is enabled over your device. Once you've done that, you should be good to go. Now, if it still did not fix your issue, then basically what we can just try and simply do is reinstalling the app to see if maybe that fixes your issue. To do this, hold down the app on your home screen and then click on remove app. Then simply reinstall back again using the App Store and log back into your account. And basically that should fix the issue for you, and you can see if it fixed it. If it did, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And that are basically all of the fixes I found online. So yeah, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.